Hello everyone, welcome to the Rubik channel. As a reverse video, I'm going to show you how to solve the cube part 1 and part 2. Let's go. At previous video, I show you how to make the Y cross and the same color in here, in here, in here, and in here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the all white here, and also in each bottom here there are much color, like here green, like here will be orange, here will be blue, and here all red here. Let's start. So white cross here, you turn to the yellow in the middle here, and then you catch the white one all the way at the right corner, and you see the next to the right one is a red and a blue. So this is a red and a blue. So you do this way, turn down, turn left to right, and then you back up and you turn to right to left. You do the same thing until the right one go to the bottom. Here you can see the red over here and the blue on the bottom, and you do the same way to the corner, another corner, right one all the way at the right corner, and this one green and orange. So this is orange, so this is blue, so it's not the right corner, so you have to turn until the right corner. It's green, green, and orange, orange. So we have to solve this one. We do the same way, turn down, left to right, back up, right to left. Do the same. And here we go, green here, orange here. We do another corner, orange and blue. So we turn, well, we see the orange and blue. Here we go, blue, orange, blue, orange. We do the same thing. Bum, orange, blue, and the last corner is here, all the way at the right bottom corner, red, white, green. You turn, you're looking around, it's green, red. Yes, one more. Pew. Green, red, and green, red. You do the same thing. Down, left to right, back up, right to left, to right, back up, right to left, right, back up, right to left. Here we go. You see all is white one, and the bottom layer is match each other. Red match to red, green match to green, orange match to orange, and a blue match to blue. And this is part 3. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope to see you guys next video. Thank you and see you.